So everybody, we got our sub. You see? And now we're going back to the room to chow down.
I'm ready.
So y'all, this is the cheesesteak sub. Look how big that thing is. Oh my gosh, it costs $22. This is half. And the bread is fresh made from the bakery that's right across the street from them. Oh my gosh, y'all, I got everything on here. We got everything. We got cheesesteak with hot peppers, with oil, with mayo, with, you see the red pepper flakes. We just gonna get into this, y'all. I mean, look at this. Okay, y'all, so I cut the half in half. And look at this. This is the half of the half that I cut. This is the other half of this whole sub. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get into this right now. Y'all, this is so good. Oh my gosh. This sub is so good. Look. See? You see that? The cheese is so creamy.
That's what the cheese, that's what much better.
It melts perfectly on that steak. And I'm telling you, hot peppers, this steak is just so good. The homemade fresh hoagie roll, oh my gosh. If you're coming to Atlantic City, you really need to go stop at the White House and at least get yourself a cheesesteak sub. It's so good. So I got my drinky drink right here, and Q and I are about to go down and see what we can get into on the casino floor, y'all. So Q and I have been here. We won our money back, but we put it back in the machine, y'all. You know how they go, right? But that's okay, because we going to another area in Caesars. And we are chasing the hand peg. That's what we doing. But we having fun. The thing about it is that you need to have fun. If you can't afford to, you know, play your money, and if you lose, fine. If you win, that's even great. Because that's what we're about. We're about, you know what? Everything is taken care of at home, and we can afford to just play and play for fun. And that's what it's about, having fun. And if we win, that's a bonus. So I got the progressive, but I only got the mini, but it's okay. We're still playing here. We're still having a ball. We're just enjoying life, and that's what it's all about, y'all. I got this on the last one, y'all. On the last one, I got this. So Q and I are back in the room. As you can see that is the pier where there are all the rides, and you can see the Ferris wheel all lit up. You can see Hard Rock and the ocean resorts. Yeah, we're back in the room. We didn't do so well, but we had a ball. So maybe tomorrow we can like recoup our losses, but we're just having a ball here, you know, working hard. We just need to relax, right, Q? Right, Q? I don't know where he went. But yeah, we just need to relax and enjoy ourselves. And we're having a ball up here. I'm telling you, we found two machines that we really liked here at Caesars. And we're gonna get at it tomorrow. And we're gonna bring it to you tomorrow. So why Q eat the rest? Why you eat the rest of my sub? He was like, he threw it away. He said I wasn't. I was gonna eat the rest of that sub, y'all. I was. You know what? It's like a cold roast beef sandwich, right, y'all?
She ain't gonna eat that.
First of all, ain't nobody tell him to eat my half of my quarter of my sub that was left.
She wasn't gonna eat that.
You know what? I don't like him. That's why
I throw it away.
Okay. We always go to the grocery store and get our snacks. And we always get lunch meat and rolls and stuff. So I'm good with that. But I'm like, why did he eat?
I throw it away.
No, he didn't. He threw away his gut, y'all. He threw away his stomach. He ate the rest of my cheese steak.
Why you just won't say that I threw it away?
Because
you gonna say I put it in my
But you
stomach?
did. You did.
I didn't put
You
it
know
in my
what?
stomach.
But you did throw it away though, Q. You threw it away in your stomach though.
I didn't.
You did, cause you was over there eating that soup. Y'all, he ate my peace, y'all. He ate my sub though. But that's all right. That's why we get lunch meat. We always go to the grocery store and get something to eat when we come back in the room. Okay, he want to turn it off because he know he wrong. He know he ate my stuff. He ate the quarter of my sub. I was like, where my sub at? He was like, I throw it away.
Right.
I was like, no, stop, bye. Y'all, we'll see you tomorrow morning. As you can see, it is raining in Atlantic City. But it's not gonna stop Q and I. We're gonna go out, see what we can get into, and of course, bring you with us. So they are doing some major work here at Caesars in Atlantic City. I mean, they have got a lot of construction going on, so they're about to make this bigger and better. I think they're competing with the Ocean and Hard Rock that are down the boardwalk. So here it is here. A lot of the work that's being done, hopefully before the end of the year. So they're about to make this bigger and better, y'all. So just a heads up, if you're coming to Atlantic City and you're staying at Caesars, right now it's a lot of construction going on, okay? And they also have some things that are now open. Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen is open, and Nobu is here, and they're both open now. But they have some more exciting stuff that's coming here in Caesars in Atlantic City. So this is the room tour for 4305 Ocean in the Ocean Tower in Caesars, Atlantic City, New Jersey. We got 2 queen beds, and this is a long granite slab countertop for you to put everything you need, all the drawers and everything. Okay, seating area here, and this is the mirror. So give you a view from our room. It's raining today, so as you can see, we do have an ocean view. You can see the ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and the boardwalk. It's cold out there, y'all. We just came back in and it is cold out there. Okay, so let's do the bathroom. Well, they have a refrigerator here. Okay, I did another room tour, but I don't know. I already did the bed bug inspection of both beds, where I pulled up the sheets and looked at the edge of the mattress and even the outlets around it to make sure that there were no little critters. So that's all been done. Everything's been sanitized. All the hard surfaces in the bathroom and in the room. Here's the bathroom. As you can see, decent bathroom, nice shower. The seat, I don't sit on the seat, y'all. Okay, they have the Jose Iber toiletry items here. And of course, ladies, the mirror, so you can get your little makeup on. And they also have, you know, a separate water closet area. And they have an outlet here, because back in the day, they used to have the phones in the bathroom, but they took that out now. So, let's see. The entrance area of the room, and a closet. Okay, with, of course, the iron and ironing board. So that's it for room 4305 in the Ocean Towers here at Caesars Atlantic City. So they also have for the room the housekeeping. The do not disturb, press that and it illuminates outside the room if you don't want to be disturbed. And then I'm gonna press that, like for housekeeping, you press and it turns green on the outside so that the housekeeping staff know it's time, you know, you're ready for your room to be clean. And you can see it reflected here. Do not disturb, and then it's green here for if you want housekeeping. So this is, Q already took his piece out, y'all. But this is the sub. If you can see this, my hand, this is the size of the whole sub. It probably came here. Q got his piece. But yes, that's it from White House. They cut it in half, but you can cut it. 4 people can eat on this. And I'm just gonna open it up. We got everything on it. Look at that. We got peppers and onions and lettuce and a little bit of mayo and a little bit of oil. This is a good sub, y'all. And that cheese just melts on it. Yeah. So I got my sub, y'all. And I'm eating on it, and it's so good. And I got it with the Lay's wavy Funyun flavor. Oh my gosh. So good. So it is the evening of day 2. Q and I have had our disco nap, and we are about to go. You know what? We had another cheesesteak, y'all. Was that good? Plus, it kept us full yesterday. I did, and it's rare that I eat the same thing, 2 days in a row. It's very rare. But them cheesesteaks be banging, y'all. I'm telling you, if you up here, go to the White House. The subs are really good. So we are getting. Here we go, right here. You know what's in here, right? We're getting our drink on, and we're gonna go down there and see what we can get into on that casino floor. Hopefully, it'll be kind to us. It was not kind to us last night, was it, babe?
Nope.
Well, we won our money, but we put it back in the machine because we was having so much fun. So we're gonna see if we're gonna see if we can bring some home with us. Right, Nick?
Got you.
All right.
Got
So Q got some of his money back, y'all. He got some of it back.
I just spent $5.
He put $5 in this machine, and voila! On the free spins, it's rolling. And he won like almost $100 off of $5. So it happens like that sometimes. It's rolling, y'all. It keep rolling. Like I said, he almost won $100, so good for him.